Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Plant Fanatics. Today I want to talk to you guys about one of the most drought tolerant plants that I've ever come across. So it's for you people who have, that don't water your plants a lot. This is a olive tree, specifically the Arbequina olive tree. Like I said, this is one of the most drought tolerant plants that I've ever come across. They come from a very desert-like region, so they handle drought very well. They're also very prolific fruiters. As you can see here, there's just little baby olives all over this thing. Olive trees require a certain number of chill hours below 45 degrees. So if you live in a colder region, that's not going to be a problem for you. If you live in a warmer region, then it's going to be a little bit harder for you guys to get your trees to fruit. Now, I live in zone 7, as a lot of you guys know. And we don't have a problem with getting the chill hours here. It gets very cold, too cold for this, in fact. This will take it down into the 20s, but when it gets a little bit colder than that, I'll go ahead and bring it in the garage and I'll just have some grow lights above it. But like I said, if you don't get those chill hours, you're not going to get the fruit. It will put off flowers, and they're really pretty flowers, before it has the fruit on it. Like I said, this is an Arbequina. I actually have another one over here. So the Arbequina olive tree I actually got from Sam's Club. Sometimes they randomly get in really nice fruit trees and stuff like that, and I really wanted an olive tree, and they just so happen to have it. But before I got that one, I actually got this one because I didn't know Sam's was going to get them. So this is just a European olive. And I got this one from a local nursery. It was much more expensive than that one. I paid $150 or so for this one, but it came in this really nice pot. But it's always nice to support your local nurseries. They're not like Sam's Club or Walmart or any of that. All they deal with is plants, pots, soils. And if you don't have those nurseries anymore, if nobody's supporting those nurseries, then you're not going to be able to get some of the random plants that you wanted to get, because they're going to be the ones that carry it, not Walmart. Walmart carries, they have those house plants, the very common house plants most of the time. Sometimes they'll get in some citrus trees and stuff like that, but that's just once a year. Your nurseries are going to have stuff all year long, so go ahead and support them. Even though it's more expensive, you'll find plants there when the time comes that you aren't going to be able to get anywhere else. So yeah, this one was a little more expensive. It's a very pretty tree. It's a little bigger than the other one. But this one from Sam's Club I got, I want to say for like $30 or $35 or something like that. So it's a really good deal. So if you find that, go ahead and pick it up. You can't have too many trees until your neighbors start complaining about it. But anyway, that's just a little bit of information about the olive tree. If you guys have any questions, ask them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Click like on the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.